Okay.
This is Keith. I think this is a Trinity church. Just had they had food here, and I just saw on my personal page. I have a link to our website for our Facebook return site, and he said that they hadn't heard from me in a while. Well, I'm here right now. Just got through eating, and one of the things I want to emphasize is that starting over is pretty much to highlight the theme of what we're doing. We talk about restoration. We're talking about starting over, and there's a lot to be learned from that. I posted a video just recently with some insight on principles as far as what does it mean to start over. And it was a documentary on a baboon hunter who was looking for water, and he used a baboon to show him. And I'll repost that. But the thing that I wanted to say is that when you start over, you regain control, self-control. Well, God has a process of restoring us, and so when I started over, I saw God, and He's empowered me with self-control, and it's one of the fruit of the Spirit. So when you have self-control, nobody has control over you. So this ain't about money. There ain't nothing you can say that I want. I used to do a lot of things when I was in the world and didn't have any control. I was controlled by the media. I was controlled by peer pressure. I was controlled by my environment. I was a product of my environment, preaching learned behavior. But since being restored, starting over, I'm a new creature in spirit, in Christ, meaning the teachings that He brought to show us the way. And so that's what I'm saying. We want to start over. I don't have to give you anything. God wants to give you everything, just like myself. And when we do that, we work together. We produce those things that we have need of, and even we desire and we want. So understand, this ain't about me pursuing something that the world has to offer. Just like Christ, when He was in the wilderness and tempted with the things of the world, He refused those things with the word of God. That's how I'm living today. Man does not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of the Lord thy God. And man shall not serve nobody but God. All of those things that Christ said to Satan when he was tempted, the symbolism, or if you want it, whatever you want to call it, I stand on that today. So with that peace, and you will be hearing from return in the very near future. I'm gonna tell you, it's not an easy task, but you have to persevere. You have to have patience, because we walk by faith, not by sight. It's not these immediate conditions that determine the work that we do. We work towards those things as though they already are, because faith is a substance of things hoped for and evidence of things not seen. So we will rejoice really soon in the evidence of those things that we have faith in. God be the glory. Peace.